Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit, and I received a question asking, Steve, is it still worth flipping items from eBay to Amazon moving into 2024? So I want to make a quick video sharing my thoughts on this, some of the changes that I've seen from maybe 2022 to 2023. Yes, it's 100% still worth it. There's so many deals out there. There's so many categories that you can source, and there's just so many items that just sell for way less on eBay and way more on Amazon. Now, over the last couple of years, it certainly has become more competitive, and I haven't helped that, obviously, with my eBay to Amazon masterclass and putting out free YouTube videos. And I've coached, well over 1,000 people. But the good news is there's literally thousands and thousands, there's hundreds of thousands of products that you can flip from eBay to Amazon. And guess what? Every single day, the game starts over. New people sell items, new people come on and list items sell, new stuff comes in, there's new opportunities. It's just every single day, it's like a brand new video game, right? Maybe yesterday wasn't a great day for you, or you couldn't find much, but then today you might find 50 items. I mean, my team right now is spending $40,000 per month, just a hair over 115,000 just in the last 30 days. Now we have shipped a lot and we have, been taking advantage of Q4. But absolutely, moving into 2024, I already set a goal, and I'm gonna make a video about this, doing $1 million in sales in 2024. That's my goal with eBay to Amazon. So there's tons of opportunities. Yes, there's more competition. If you're using softwares like FlipMine, you do have to be quick and you wanna refresh often. You definitely wanna make sure you get ungated in as many categories as possible so you have more opportunities to source. I think it's more important than ever to make sure when you sell an item, you add it to your replens list and you try to source that over and over again for a wide variety of reasons. But absolutely, it's still worth it. The margins are huge. There's new opportunities every single day. And especially if you're sending messages or best offers to these eBay sellers to try to get a deal, there's just so many opportunities. So 100% it's worth it. I'm still going full blast. Yes, it's a little more competitive, but that's a good thing. If there was no competition, then that would mean there's no money to be made. Most people who do like eBay to Amazon flips, they're not taking it serious. They don't have virtual assistants. They're not sending best offers. They're not looking at all the opportunities. They're just hanging out on the front page of FlipMine, which again, FlipMine is great, but there's so many other ways to source. And there's so many other ways to find deals where your competitors won't. And that's what I talk about in my eBay to Amazon masterclass. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link down below. But yeah, I'm going hard, guys. I'm going hard into eBay to Amazon flips in 2024. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you need any help or have any questions, drop a comment down below. With that being said, much love.